Yo, what's up, my beautiful people? This is Elvis Derry, the king of YouTubers, and I'm back with a fresh and brand new episode. So if you did this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on that beautiful and amazing notification bell. So today, this episode is all about the technology we have today in our era, man. And so today, I'm going to review 13-inch MacBook Pro Apple with M1 chip, man. So you guys just enjoy this video and man, support your brother Elvis Derry, the king of YouTubers. Hee-ha. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, like this is the box right here, and the Apple MacBook Pro is inside with the M1 chip, man. So like as you can see, like I opened it before, but let me open it the second time for my amazing audience, just to see how the latest MacBook Pro, how it looks like. So you can see, like this is the box right here. Let me just remove it. Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, man. So guys, this is the box right here, man. As you can see, like I love the design, man. I love the design, also the color. I love the color, you know, the colors, like everything about this box is just amazing. But we want to see what is inside this box. That's the most important thing, man. So let me open it and we get right into the review video. You know, technology is advancing every day, every single day. So you can see, like this is the MacBook right here. This is the MacBook PC right here. See, that's the logo. That's the logo right here. And inside this box, this is the charger right here, and it has its Apple logo. The charger, and that is also the charger. So, you guys, man, like I'm so amazed by this Apple MacBook Pro with the latest Apple M1 chip, man. So let me just put these things somewhere else, and as you can see, like this is the logo right here of the MacBook Apple, and let us open it and see how it is. Man, like I'm really loving this new Apple MacBook Pro with the latest M1 chip, man. So let me open this MacBook Pro. Let us review it and see how it looks like. So I hope you guys are still enjoying this amazing and wonderful video. And man, support your brother. Subscribe to the Elvis Derry, the king of YouTubers, man. Huh? Man, so guys, let me just open it and show you guys how it looks like. Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing. As you like, the screen is covered with this paper right here. Just put it aside with the box right here, and it's opening. As you can see, like that's the logo right there. And let me just put the password. It's written Elvis Derry. Let me just put my password. The password is very short and simple, and you can see like how it is. Like this is the desktop right here, and this is the logo right here. It's written MacBook, you know, and these are the settings right there. This is the keyboard. We have a keyboard right here, man. It looks so amazing, man. Like Apple is doing a very good job. So one thing that I've really loved about this new Apple MacBook 2021 is this. It has a screen right here. Like you can see, like this whole part, this area right here. This is a screen, man. You can just touch it. You can just touch the screen, and it comes with the settings. If you want to increase the brightness of your PC, as you can see, it's increasing the brightness, decreasing the brightness. If you want to increase or decrease the volume, this is the volume right here. Increase, decrease. Like this one is a whole new level, man. If you want the Cortana, the Siri which talks, there it goes. Like you can tell it to do anything. Open Google.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
You don't understand my accent, eh? Anyway, let us continue. And if you can play right here, man. Like this MacBook Pro, like it has a different mode, man. And I've used it this couple of days, and like I've really loved it, man. Like editing, like if I'm editing the videos, like rendering is so fast, man, so fast. Like I'm really loving it, man. So if you guys, you have this MacBook Pro right here in your homes, or if you have ever used it before, just tell me in the comments down below, like how was the experience, man, using it, and where did you buy it, which country did you buy it from. So let's continue reviewing the latest MacBook Pro with the latest Apple M1 chip. So guys, this is the mouse area right here. You can use this to scroll, to select anything you want. And but I mostly love using this mouse right here. Like I bought this mouse so that it can make my work more easier while editing, you know, because as you guys, you know, like I really love editing videos, and I always try my best to be comfortable when I'm editing. So this mouse right here, it connects wireless to the MacBook Pro, and you can just use it wirelessly. And so here you have your taskbar right here. You have a taskbar. You have all the applications that you need. And let me just open one. Let me open Safari. And see, like you have your Safari right here. And if you want to select, remember we also have a touch screen right here. If you want to select, let me say YouTube, you can click on YouTube. This is the YouTube logo right here. You can click on YouTube, and it will take you right to YouTube, man. Like you don't need to type or to waste more time like typing or anything. Or if you want to open a new tab, you have a new tab right here. You can just open a new tab, click the new tab, and the new tab will open. Like this PC, like it's also really easy to use, man. Like I'm really loving this design right here. Like since I bought this PC and the days I've used this MacBook Pro, like the flow has just been amazing, man. Like while I'm editing my videos or other people's videos, like it's so fast, man. Like this is my application right here, Adobe Premiere Pro 2022, man. 2022. Like I'm really loving as you have seen, like it has opened the Adobe real fast, man. Like no lagging, no waiting, just so fast, man. Like I'm really loving this Apple MacBook Pro, man. Like they've really done a good job. And let us go to about this PC and see. So it's called Mac OS Big Sur version 11.5.1, MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 chip 2020, Apple M1, memory 8 GB, and the rest. And you have different settings right here, support. Like you can just go through it. You can search online, or you can go to your nearest Apple store and just check how this Apple MacBook Pro works. So I don't know what else to show you guys, man. Like I think I've showed you everything, the application. Let's go to the Launchpad. This is the Launchpad right here. You have your different applications. If you want photos, you have photos there, the calendar, different. Also, like you have your screenshot. You can take a screenshot right here. You have Bluetooth. You have so many different applications. Like I've not gone through all of them because most of the time I'm just editing. If I'm not editing, I'm doing my own research right here on Safari. Yeah, man. So guys, the last thing I would love to show you is the inputs, man. As you can see, like this MacBook Pro, it only has 2 inputs right here, as you can see, and they are all Type C. You can use it for importing or charging the device, man. As you can see, like this is a charger right here. It is Type C right here, but I bought this device right here. As you can see, like it has all the slots, man. So I bought this device right here so that it can make work even more easier to import or export files into the MacBook Pro. And the last thing I'd love to show you is the speakers. You can see, like this is the speaker right here in both sides. And let me just play this song so that you can listen to how good the speaker is. DJ 我要跳舞，多懒 DJ 要跳舞，晚上我一个晚上这就把跳舞跳在哪里跳在哪里跳 DJ Elvis. I hope you guys have enjoyed this amazing episode reviewing this Apple MacBook Pro with the latest Apple M1 chip. And if you have this kind of PC, or if you've ever used this kind of MacBook Pro, just tell me in the comments down below what you think about it, and how using it, like the experience using this MacBook Pro, how it is, man. Just tell me in the comments down below. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and don't forget to support your brother Elvis Derry, the king of YouTubers. Remember, it's all about content after content, man. Like, I have lots of content line up for you guys, man. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share it to your friends, share these videos to your Facebook, Instagram, you know, just support your brother also by marketing your brother, man. And I really appreciate your wonderful and big great support, man. So thank you so much. See you guys in the next episode.